Here we introduce how to disassemble the LCD screen. First, remove all the outer covers. Disconnect the cables on the front cover. Wear an anti-static wrist and loose the 4 screws. Unplug the 2 cables carefully. Then we can take out the metal cover. The cable of touch screen still connected. Push the buckle slightly and extract the cable carefully. Loose these 4 screws on the LCD connection board. Loose the 8 screws on the LCD screen. Take it out carefully. This is the touch screen. Loose these 4 screws. And then we get the LCD display screen embedded with backlight board. Restore all parts above by reverse the steps. Pay attention to the touchscreen when fix the metal frame of LCD screen. The touchscreen should be aligned with the display screen, otherwise you will get an abnormal display.